Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Stillalearner. In this video, we are going to discuss 5th class Mathematics 4th chapter workbook answers. So our 4th chapter is multiplication and division. Okay guys, let me tell you one more thing. I have already uploaded your English all lessons workbook answers, EVS all lessons workbook answers, and mathematics first chapter, second chapter and third chapter workbook answers. Okay, please go and check it out and write it down in your workbook. Okay, so let's start this guys. So as I said, our chapter name is multiplication and division. We all know multiplication and division. Okay, let's see. Here in the worksheet number 1, subtopic is multiplication. Fill in the blanks is given in the first Roman. Let's see each and write it down the correct answer. Okay. So first one is, the number to be multiplied is called. What we call the number to be multiplied? We call it as multiplicand. Okay. Next, second one. The number with which we multiply is called multiplier. Okay. Third one. The result obtained in multiplication is called as product. Product is nothing but multiplication. Okay. Next, fourth one. Repeated dash is known as multiplication. Repeated addition is known as multiplication. Got it? Okay. Now we'll move to the second Roman, which is do the following. Here we have to do the multiplication of the given numbers. Let's see, first one is 861 multiplied by 36. Okay, first write it down, 861 multiplied by 36. Okay, 616, 6636. 3 carries forward. Then 6 8s 48 plus 3 51. Okay, then again we have to do with 3. 3 1s 3, 3 6 18. 1 carry forward. Then write it down 8 here. Then 8 3s 24 plus 1 plus 2 25. Okay, then you have to add. Okay, then you will get the answer as 30,996. Got it? Next, second one, 7,256 multiplied by 4. Okay, 6 4 6 24, 2 carry forward, write down 4 here. Then 5 4s 20, 20 plus 2 22, 2 again carry forward, write down 2 here. Then 2 4s 8 plus 2 10, 0 write it down here, 1 carry forward. Then 7 4s 28, 28 plus 1 29. So answer is 29,024. Got it guys? Next, third one, 7,860 multiplied by 25. So first we'll do the multiplication with 5 table. Okay, 5 0 0, 5 6 30, 3 carry forward, write down 0 here. 5 8s 40. Okay, 40 plus 3, 43, 4 carry forward, write down 3 here. 7 5s 35, 35 plus 4 39. Okay, write down 39. Then 2 2 0 0, 2 6 12, write down 2 here, 1 carry forward. 8 2 16 plus 1 17, write down 7 here, 1 carry forward. 2 7s 14 plus 1 15. Okay, then do the addition. 0 0 plus 0 again 0, 3 plus 2 5, 9 plus 7 16. 1 carry forward, write down 6 here. Then 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9 and 1 as it is, 1,96,500. Are you getting my point guys? Okay, in this way only you have to do it. Next, fourth one, 6,307 multiplied by 58. So we'll do the multiplication. 7 8s 56. 5 carry forward and 6 here. 5 0 0, 5 will be there, that's why write down 5. 8 3s. Okay, 8 3s 24. 2 carry forward, 4 write down here. 6 8 48 plus 2 50. Then do it with 5. 5 7s 35. 3 carry forward, 5 here. Here already 0 is there. 5 0 0. 3 will be there, that's why write down 3. Then 5 3 is 15. 5 write down here, 1 carry forward. 6 5 30. 30 plus 1 31. Then do the addition. 6 5 plus 5 10. 0 here, 1 carry forward. 4 plus 3 5 6 7 plus 1 8. Write down 8. Then 5 will be same as it is. Then 5 plus 1 6. Then 3 as it is. Means 3,65,806 is your answer. Okay, so next, fifth and sixth one you have to do it by yourself. Please pause it and do it by yourself. Then check it out your answers whether you have written correct or wrong. In this way you may improve yourself. Okay guys, so please do it. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 2. Okay, here the subtopic is multiplication. Let's see first one. Mr. Raju purchased material in bulk to complete his building construction. Help him to calculate the total amount. Okay, there was a man whose name was Raju. He was constructing his building. Okay, to construct his building, he purchased material in bulk. Okay, that material is given in a table. Okay, we have to do, we have to help him to calculate the total amount. Okay, let's see the box. Here we have 5 columns: serial number, item, unit cost in rupees, number of units. Okay, let's see each. He purchased sand, 1 truck. Okay, so 1 truck cost is 1000 rupees, but how many units he bought? 40 units. Okay, 40 into 1000 we have to calculate. Okay, like that. Cement brick, that is 1 unit. Per unit is 16 rupees. Number of units to 22,500. Okay, next iron, 1 kg. Cost is 50. Number of units is 4000. Next cement, 1 bag is 356 rupees. Then he purchased 700 units. Then gravel, 1 truck, which cost is 3000. He purchased 7 units. Okay, let's see the question. The cost of 40 trucks sand is, so 40 into 1000 you have to do, you will get the answer as 40,000. Next, the cost of 2,25,000 cement bricks, you have to multiply it by 16. Okay, so if you multiply it by 16 you will get the answer as 3,60,000. Next, the cost of 4,000 kilogram iron, so 1 kilogram iron is 50. So 4,000 into 50 is equal to 2 lakhs. Okay, next, the cost of 700 cement bags. Okay, 700 into 356 you have to multiply, you will get the answer as 2,49,200. Okay, next, the cost of 7 trucks gravel. Okay, 7 into 3000 you will get the answer as 21,000. Okay, just do the total amount, add all the rupees of the given items, you will get the answer as 8,70,200. Understood guys? Okay, now we'll move to the second one, which is do the following. Here we have to do the multiplication for the given numbers. Okay, so first number is 21,702 multiplied by 9. So 9 2 is 18, 1 carry forward, write down 8, then 900, there is 1, just that's why write down 1, then 9 7 63, 6 carry forward, write down 3, then 9 1s 9, 9 plus 6, so 15, write down write down 5, 1 carry forward, 9 2s 18, 18 plus 1 19, so answer is 1,95,318. Okay, next second one, 13,021 multiplied by 32. Okay, let's see the answer. So 2 1s 2, 2 2s 4, 2 0s 0, 2 3s 6, 2 1s 2, then 3. So 3 1s 3, 3 2 6, 3 0 0, 3 3 9, 3 1s 3. Okay, do addition. So 2 will be as it is, then 4 plus 3 is 7, 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6 again, then 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry forward, write down 1, then 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, 4,16,672. Understood? So, next third one, 17,343 multiplied by 99. Okay, so do the multiplication, you will get the answer as 17,16,957. Okay, here I am not explaining you, because you have to do it. Okay, 1 or 2 I will discuss, then rest you have to do. In this way you may improve yourself. That is my main intention. Okay, understood guys? Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 3. Here the subtopic is multiplication. Okay, let's see. First question is, Shahid is a tailor. He charges rupees 650 for stitching a pair. During festival season, he stitched 69 pairs. Find the total amount he earned. Okay, this is the question. Okay, let's see what is given here. What is the sum about? Means what is the problem about? So this problem is all about Shahid's earning. Okay, who is a tailor. Again, next, what information is given? So here information is given about Shahid, about the charge of stitching a pair and number of stitched pairs. Okay, next, what we have to find out? Means total amount he earned. We have to find out total amount he earned. Let's see the next question, which is, which mathematical operation is to be used to solve the problem? So answer is multiplication operation is to be used to solve the problem. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the second question, which is, so here also same question, but here sub questions asked differently. Let's see. How much he charged for stitching a pair? So he charged rupees 650 for stitching a pair. How many pairs are stitched by Shahid during festive season? So during festive season he stitched 69 pairs. Okay, next third question. What operation do you perform to solve the above problem? Okay, what operation do you perform to solve the above problem? Of course, we have to do the multiplication to get the answer. Okay, next third question. So here also question is same. Let's see the solution. Stitching charge for one pair is rupees 650. Okay. Next, number of pairs stitched. How many pairs he stitched during festive season? 69. Write down 69. So, stitching charges for 69 pairs means you have to do the multiplication. That is 650 multiplied by 69. If you do the multiplication, you will get the answer rupees 44,850. Mashallah, he got 44,850 for stitching 69 pairs. Okay, next see the fourth question, which is, so here also same question, but let's see. Write down the answer. Here asked, find the total amount he earned. Okay, that one we have to show, but you just write it down the steps above what is given. Stitching charges of one pair, number of pairs stitched, write it down all the 3 steps. Then at lastly you have to write it down. The total amount he earned is 44,850. Understood, guys? Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 4. Here the subtopic is multiplication. Let's see the first question, which is, the cost of one chair is rupees 980. Okay, what is the cost of 25 chairs? Okay, let's see the solution. Cost of one chair, what is given? Rupees 980. Okay, number of chairs. How many number of chairs are there? 25 chairs. Write down 25. Therefore, total cost of 25 chairs means you have to multiply 980 multiplied by 25. Okay, you will get the answer as 24,500. Okay, please do the multiplication separately. Then only you will get to have a practice of doing multiplication. Okay. Let's move on to the second question, which is, the cost of 12 dozen apples is rupees 3012. Find the cost of 1 dozen apple. Okay, let's see the solution. Cost of 12 dozen apples is equal to 3012. Okay, then cost of 1 dozen apples is equal to, so we have to divide it by 12, so that we'll get 1 dozen apples. So 3012 divided by 12. Okay, then 12 ones, 12 twos, 24. Okay, then 6 will left, 61. 12 5 60. 1 will left, so 1 and 2 means 12. 12 ones, 12. So the answer is 251. Understood, guys? Let's move on to the third question, which is, Krishna has 18 boxes of oranges. Each box holds 312 oranges. Find the total number. Okay, let's see the solution. Number of boxes Krishna has equal to 18. Number of oranges each box holds equal to 312. Okay, then total number of oranges Krishna has. So do the multiplication. 312 multiplied by 18. You will get the answer 5616. Okay, 5616 is your answer. Got it, guys? Okay, let's move on to the fourth question, which is Raghu's monthly income is rupees 36,500. How much amount he will earn in a year? Okay, let's see the solution. Raghu's monthly income is rupees 36,500. Okay, number of months in a year is 12. Okay, then amount he will earn in a year means 36,500 multiplied by 12. Okay, you have to do the multiplication with the 12 with his actual monthly income, then you will get the amount he earn in a year. Okay, so how much he earn in a year? 4,38,000. Okay, this is the amount he will earn in a year. Got it? Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5. Here also the subtopic is multiplication. Let's see first question. Mrs. Jaya purchased 8 door curtains and 9 window curtains. How much amount did she pay to buy them? Okay, let's see the answer. Number of door curtains she purchased. Okay, 8. Then cost of each door curtain is 450. Like that. Number of window curtain she purchased is 9. Cost of each window curtain is 250. Okay, here the amount of a door curtain and window curtain is given in the bracket. Okay, just observe that one also. Now let's see the total amount she paid. Okay, so 8 into 450 plus 9 into 250. If you multiply 8 into 450, you will get the answer as 3600 plus 9 into 250 will be 2250. If you add both, you will get the answer as 5850. Okay, so 5850 she paid. Okay, let's move on to the second question, which is one day Santhamma sold 456 packets of groundnuts in a train. If each packet cost is rupees 10, then find the total amount she earned on that day. Okay, let's see the answer. Total number of packets of groundnuts sold in one day is 450. Okay, cost of each packet is rupees 10. So total amount she earned on that day is equal to 456 multiplied by 10. So you will get the answer as 4560. So she earned 4560 for selling 456 packets of groundnuts in a tree. Got it? Let's move on to the third question, which is AP government planned to plant trees along the roadside. The distance to be covered is 112 km. If 120 trees can plant in 1 km, find the number of plants required for 112 kilometers. Let's see the answer. Distance to be covered. So distance to be covered is equal to 112 km. Okay. Number of trees plant in 1 km is 120 trees. Okay, then number of plants required to plant in 112 kilometer is equal to 112 kilometer multiplied by 120 trees. So if you do the multiplication, you will get the answer as 13,440. So therefore 13,440 plants required for 112 kilometers. Got it? Okay. Please pause the video and write it down without any mistakes. Do the multiplication aside. I don't have space to do it. That's why I'm just mentioning the correct answer here. Okay, please do it roughly sideways. Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 6. Here the subtopic is multiplication facts. Let's see, first Roman is fill in the blanks. So first one is 4 into 25 is equal to 100. Then we can convert this into a division also. So 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. Got it? Okay, next second one, 75 multiplied by 4 equal to 300. Then dash divided by 4 equal to 75 means 300 divided by 4 equal to 75. Next third one, 125 multiplied by dash equal to dash. Then 750 divided by 6 equal to 125. If you observe here 750 divided by 6, first you do the division, you will get the answer as 125. From this you can write it down, 125 multiplied by 6 equal to 750. Got it? Next fourth one, 321 multiplied by dash equal to 642. If you do the division, you will get the answer as 2. Okay, write down 2. Then here 642 divided by 2 is equal to 321. Understood, guys? Okay, let's move on to the second Roman, which is fill in the blanks with appropriate symbol. Okay, that is less than, greater than, or equal to. Let's see, first one is 75 divided by 5 dash 750 divided by 50. If you do both, you will get the same answer. So that's why write down equal to symbol. Then second one, 7 multiplied by 5, then 135 divided by 5. So if you do the answer, you will get 7 5 35, which is greater than this one. That's why write down greater than symbol. Then third one, 145 multiplied by 8 is less than 185 multiplied by 7. Actually, if you observe, this right hand side number is greater than the left hand side number. That's why. Next fourth one, 7254 multiplied by 9. Then 9312 multiplied by 7. Of course, here multiplicand is 9. That's why you will get the answer more here. That's why put greater than symbol. So, got it, guys? Now we'll move to the third Roman, which is fill in the blanks using multiplication properties. Okay, we all know the properties a into b equal to b into a. So in this this is the way of multiplication property. Let's do this. So first one is 45 multiplied by 189 is equal to 189 multiplied by 45. Okay, next second one, 1321 multiplied by dash is equal to 214 multiplied by dash. So here opposite numbers, write it down. So 214, here 1321. Okay, next, dash multiplied by 468 equal to dash multiplied by 657. Here also just write it down, the opposite number. 657 multiplied by 468 equal to 468 multiplied by 657. Got it? Next fourth one, 5861 multiplied by 656 equal to 5861 multiplied by 56. Got it, guys? Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 7. Here the subtopic is division. Let's see the first Roman, which is fill in the blanks. Okay, so first one is 932 divided by 31 gives quotient dash and remainder dash. You have to do it, guys. Okay, 932 divided by 31, then you will get the quotient 30 and the remaining means remainder will be 2. Okay, next second one, 936 divided by dash give quotient 104 and remainder 0. So if you do if you do the division by 9, you will get that remainder 0 and quotient 104. Okay, let's see third one. 1022 divided by 14 gives quotient dash and remainder 0. Gives quotient 73. Okay, next fourth one. Dash divided by 23 gives quotient 15 and remainder 5. Okay, so 350 is the answer. If you don't know, I'll write the formula here. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If you know this formula, then only you will get the answer for this type of questions. Okay, got it? Let's move on to the second Roman, which is divide mentally and find and fill the table. Okay, let's see. First question is the number of weeks for 91 days is. So in a week there are 7 days. So 91 divided by 7 you will get 13. So 13 is the answer. Next, second one, 496 sweets are distributed among 8 children. Each child gets, so you have to divide 496 divided by 8, you will get the answer as 62. Okay, each child gets 62 sweets. Next, third one, 40 ice creams cost rupees 320. One ice cream will cost rupees, so you have to divide 320 divided by 40, you will get answer 8. So 8 is the answer. Next, a packet of incense sticks contains 60 sticks. Dash packets will contain 3600 sticks. So do the division. 3600 means 3600 divided by 60, you will get answer 60. That's why write down 60. 60 is your answer. Okay, understood? Okay, let's move on to the next Roman, that is do the following. Here we have to do the division. So first number is 5248 divided by 24. Okay, so write it down guys. Pause the video and write it down. So 24 to 48, 4 will left, take the 4 downside, then 24 to 24 ones 24, then 20 will be left, and bring 8 downside, then 208, 24 8s 192. So 16 is the remainder. Please do it. I know this is a very big number to divide. Okay, please still try to do it. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 8. Here the subtopic is word problems division. Okay, let's see this. So first one is a cement factory produces 43,500 bags of cement in a month, means 30 days. How many cement bags does it produce in one day? Write down the answer. What data is given? So production of cement bags in 1 month is given. Next, what is to be found? Total production of cement bags in one day. That one we have to found. Okay, that one we have to find. Next, what is the mathematical operation to be used to solve the problem? Of course, division process. Then only we'll get the correct answer. Next, see the second question, which is a cement factory produces 43,500 bags. Means same question is repeated here. Well, let's see the solution. How many bags of cement did the factory produce in a month? Already given, 43,500 cement bags were produced in a month. Okay, next second question. How many days are there in a month? So in a month there will be 30 days and sometimes 31 days also. But here it is clearly mentioned in a bracket 30 days. That's why I write down 30 days are there in a month. Okay. Then how many bags of cement can be produced in a day? So do the division. 43,500 divided by 30. You will get 1,450 bags of cement were produced in a day. Understood guys? Let's move on to the next question. Here also the question is same. Let's see the solution. Number of cement bags produced by the factory in a month. So in a month, how many cement bags produced? 43,500. Next, number of days in a month, 30 days. Next, number of cement bags produced by a factory in a day, 43,500 divided by 30. You will get the answer 1,450 bags. Means 1,450 cement bags produced in a day. Okay, let's see the last question. Same question, but here we have to say how many cement bags does it produce in one day. That one we have to write, but you have to follow the same steps. Okay, all the 3 steps, and then you have to write it down. 1,450 bags were produced in a day. Got it guys? This is the answer. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 9. Here the subtopic is word problem division. Let's see. If the cost of 100 kg rice bag is 4800, what is the cost of 25 kg rice bag? Okay, let's see the solution. Cost of 100 kgs of rice bag is 4800 rupees. Okay, cost of one rice bag is, you have to do the division, then only you will get cost of one rice bag, 1 kg rice. Okay, so 4800 divided by 100. So answer is 48. So now we have to find out cost of 25 kgs rice bag. So it means 48 multiplied by 25. Then you will get the answer as 1200. So 25 kg rice bag is rupees 1200. Got it? Let's see second question, which is, if the cost of 3 dozen eggs is rupees 156, what is the cost of 7 dozen eggs? Okay, so in the bracket given, 1 dozen equal to 12. Okay, so let's see the solution. Cost of 3 dozen eggs is 156. So now we'll check how cost of 1 dozen eggs. So 156 divided by 3. Why I am taking 3? Okay, because they have given 3 dozen rate. That's why I am dividing with the 3, so that I'll get 1 dozen rate. Okay, so 156 divided by 3, you will get answer rupees 52. Now we'll find the cost of 7 dozen eggs is 7 into 52, which is equal to 364. Okay, so 7 dozen eggs cost will be 364. Understood, guys? Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 3, which is, if the cost of 45 meters electric wire is rupees 3540, how much amount does require to buy 24 meters of such wire? Okay, let's see the answer. Cost of 45 meters electric wire is rupees 3540. Okay, then next one, cost of 1 meter electric wire is 3540 divided by 45. You will get the answer as 79, which is a cost of 1 meter electric wire. Now we have to find out 25 meters of electric wire. Okay, so cost of 25 meters of electric wire is equal to 79 multiplied by 24, equal to 1896. Understood, guys? Okay, let's move on to the fourth question, which is, product of two numbers is 27,176. If one of them is 43, then find the other number. Okay, actually here given the product of two numbers. So product means multiplication. Multiplication of two numbers is 27,176 given. So in that one number is already given, which is 43. Now we have to find the other number value. So to find out the other number value, what we have to do? We have to divide one number from the total. So let's see, second number is 27,176 divided by 43. If you do the division, you will get the answer as 632. Therefore, the other number is 632. Okay, sometimes you will get a doubt whether your answer is correct or wrong. So what you have to do at that time, you have to do the multiplication of that given first number and the answer, which is second number. If you do the multiplication, you should get the answer of the product of two numbers. If it is equal to the product of number, then your answer is right. Got it? In this way you may check it out also. Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 10. Here the subtopic is division. Okay, so let's see first Roman. First estimate the answer and then calculate. Okay, so first we have to estimate. Estimate is nothing but we have to write down the approximate value, means round off value or else nearest value. Okay, then we have to do the calculation. Let's see. First number is 37 multiplied by 16. So 37 estimated value will be 40. Then 16 will be 20. So 40 multiplied by 20. Answer is 800. So, but the actual value of 37 into 16 is 592. Okay. Next one. Number of days for 52 weeks. So estimated value, firstly we write So 52 is approximate to 50. Then in a week 7 days will have. Okay, so 50 into 7 will get 350. But actual answer of 52 into 7 is 364. Got it? Next, third one, 709 multiplied by 99. Estimated answer will be means 710 multiplied by 100. So 710 multiplied by 100 will be 71,000. But actual answer of 709 multiplied by 99 will be 70,191. Understood? Let's move on to the second Roman, which is divide mentally and fill the table. Check your answer with calculation. Okay, let's see. First question is 130 notebooks are distributed equally among 10 children. Okay, each child will get dash notebooks. So do the division. 130 divided by 10, you will get 13 answers. So each child get 13 notebooks. Got it? Next, second one, 40 charts cost is rupees 320. Then cost of one chart is, so do the division. 320 divided by 40, you will get answer 8. So cost of one chart is 8 rupees. Understood? Okay, let's move on to the third one, which is a tray of eggs contain 30 eggs. Dash tray will contain 360 eggs. Okay, so do the division. 360 divided by 30, you will get 12. So answer is 12. Okay, next, fourth one. If 5625 plants are planted equally in 25 rows, find the number of plants in each row. Okay, let's see the solution. Total number of plants. How many given? 5625. Okay, how many rows are there? 25 rows. Number of plants in each row means 5625 divided by 25. You will get the answer as 225. So in a row there will be 225 plants. Got it? Okay guys, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 11. Okay, here the subtopic is division. Let's see, first one is do the following sums and verify your answer with multiplication. Okay, means here division problems are given. First we'll do the division, then for the coming answer we have to verify that answer by doing multiplication. I'll show it. So first do the division. So 678 divided by 6. Okay, after doing the division you will get the answer as 113. So we have to verify this answer is correct or not. So how can we find out whether it is correct or wrong? So by doing multiplication. So do 113 multiplied by 6. Answer will be 678. So your addition, so your division process is correct. Got it? In this way you have to check it out for the rest of the problems. Okay, let's see the second one. 950 divided by 10. So if you do the division you will get the answer 95. Now you have to verify your answer. So 95 multiplied by 10 equal to 950. So your answer is correct. Okay, like that, check it out the answers for the first do the following division for the given sums, then you have to verify your answer by multiplication. Okay, next one is 7438 divided by 9. Okay, do the division, you will get the answer as 826. Okay, you have to verify 826 whether it is right or wrong. How will you do? You will do it by multiplication. 826 multiplied by 9 equal to 7434 will come. Okay, but remainder is 4. If you add 4, then you will get 7438. Okay, which is in the question. So it means your answer is right. So in this way you have to do fifth and sixth one. Okay, I'll explain you the seventh one here. Okay, so seventh one is 25,048 divided by 7. Do the division. 25,048 by 7, you will get the answer as 3,578. But here will have the remainder 2. If you add that 2, you will get the answer. Means exact what is given in the question means 25,048. So in this way you have to do all it, 8th and 9th one also. Here I am not explaining you. Please pause the video and write it down, guys. Okay, understood? Now we'll move to our next part, which is self-assessment. Okay, which is worksheet number 12. Here the concept is assessment. Let's see this. So in the first Roman we have given fill in the blanks. Let's see. First one is the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. Second one, the number with which we multiply is called multiplier. Third one, the result obtained in multiplication is called product. Okay. So let's move on to the second Roman, which is to the following. Here we have to do the multiplication for the given numbers. Okay, so first number is 809 multiplied by 35. So we'll get the answer 28,315. Okay, next one, multiplication of 7,608 by 9. You will get the answer 68,472. Next one, 80,451 multiplied by 87. Our answer will be 69,99,237. Got it? Let's move on to the third question, which is daily wage of a worker in a factory is rupees 450. Find the total wage of the worker in the month of January. So let's see the solution. Daily wage of a worker is rupees 450. Okay. Days in January month. In month we have 31 days. Okay. Then we have to find out the total wage of the worker in the month of January, which is 31 multiplied by 450. Our answer will be 13,950. Got it? Okay, let's move on to the fourth question, which is multiplier into dash equal to product. Multiplier into multiplicand equal to product. Next one, multiplier equal to dash divided by multiplicand. Multiplier equal to product divided by multiplicand. Next one, dividend equal to dash multiplied by quotient plus dash. I already told you this formula. So dividend equal to divider into quotient plus remainder. Got it? Let's move on to the sixth question, which is do the following. Here we have to do the division for the given numbers. Okay, let's see. First number is 432 divided by 18. Okay, if you do the division, you will get the answer as 24. If you have doubt that whether 24 is correct or wrong, you may do the multiplication for 24 multiplied by 18. You will get the answer 432. Then your division process is right. So second one is 2226 divided by 42. So you will get the answer 53. Okay. So you may cross check 53 into 42. You will get the same number, that is 2226. It means your division process is right. Okay. In this way you may cross check your answers in the exam also. Okay guys, let's move on to the next one, which is there are 180 pencils in 18 boxes. How many pencils are there in 20 such boxes? So write down solution. Total number of pencils in 18 box are 180. Total number of pencils in one box is equal to 180 divided by 18. It means 10. 10 pencils in one box. So that next we have to find out total number of pencils in 20 boxes, means 20 into 10, that equal to 200. Got it? Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 9. There are 552 students in 23 sections of a school. If the number of students in each section is same, how many students are there in 34 sections? Okay, let's see the solution. Total number of students in 23 sections is 552. Okay, next, total number of students in one section is equal to 552 divided by 23. You will get 24. So, total number of students in 34 sections is equal to 34 into 24 equal to 816. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 10. If the cost of 5 kg rice is rupees 250, find the cost of 18 kg rice. So write down the solution. Cost of 5 kg rice is 250, which is given. Cost of 1 kg rice is 250 divided by 5, which is equal to 50. Then cost of 18 kg rice is equal to 18 into 50. You will get the answer as 900. Understood, guys? Next question, that is 11th question. Prepare a word problem to the given division 365 divided by 7. So write down the answer. The cost of 7 apples is 365. Then what will be the cost of 1 apple? Got it? Let's move on to the 12th question, which is 13 multiplied by 25 equal to dash. Estimated value we have to write, then actual value we have to write. Means 13 into 25. So 13 estimated value will be 10 and 25 estimated value will be 25 itself. So 250 is the answer, but actual answer is 325. That is 13 into 25 is 325. Next one, 16 into 33. 16 estimated value will be 20 and 33 estimated value will be 30. 20 into 30 equal to 600. But actual value of 16 into 33 is 523. Understood, guys? Up to here your 4th chapter workbook answers are finished. I hope you all like this class well, understood this class well. If you like this class, please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video to your friends and friends from other schools as well. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. Love is, wait for the new video, inshallah. Bye bye once again.